full body standing workout for everyone. Hey, everyone. Welcome to your full body standing workout, a complete strength and cardio session that you can do anywhere, anytime. No mat, no jumping, no floor moves. This workout is designed for all fitness levels: beginners, busy people, seniors, and even moms to be. All you need is some space to move, a bottle of water, and a positive attitude. By the end of this workout, you'll feel stronger, energized, and more confident in your body. So, let's take a deep breath, roll those shoulders back, and get ready to move together. Let's start with a gentle warm-up to wake up your muscles. Begin with marching in place. Lift your knees slightly. Swing your arms naturally. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Good job. Keep it light and easy. Now, shoulder rolls back. Open up your chest. Then, shoulder rolls forward. Loosen that tension. Next, reach your arms overhead. Side. Stretch to the right. Hold for 2 seconds. Then, to the left. Feel that stretch through your waist and core. Now, let's twist gently, torso rotations, side to side. Keep your hips facing forward. Warm up done. Great. Now, it's time to get moving and feel that energy build up. Workout block 1, upper body. All right. We'll start with the upper body. No weights needed. Stand tall. Feet, shoulder width apart. Now punch forward. Right, 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 right. Engage your core. Keep your chest lifted. We're warming up those shoulders and arms. Next, arm circles. -15 seconds forward, 15 seconds backward. Feel the burn already. That's your body waking up. Now, bring both arms to the side. Side raises for 30 seconds. Controlled movement, no swinging. You should feel your shoulders working, your posture improving. Next up, cross-body punches. Twist your torso slightly as you punch. Engage that core. Let's go 20 more seconds. You got this. Finally, front arm press. Push forward, then pull back as if you're rowing. Keep your elbows close to your sides. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel that strength building. Workout block to lower body, moving on to those powerful legs. Start with standing squats, feet shoulder width apart, chest up, hips back, then rise. Control the movement. No need to go too low if it's uncomfortable. This is your workout. Listen to your body. Now, side leg lifts, right leg out, then left. Keep your balance, engage your core. This move strengthens your hips and outer thighs. Next, reverse lunges, standing variation. Step 1 foot back, tap the floor, return to center. Alternate sides. If you need low impact, just step back without bending too deep. Now, let's bring those heart rates up with standing knee drives. Lift one knee up toward your chest. Pull your arms down, as if crunching. Feel that burn in your abs and thighs. Alternate sides. Keep breathing. Finally, heel taps plus mini squats combo. Tap your right heel forward. Then do a small squat. Alternate heels, right, left, right, left. You'll feel your legs warming and your core stabilizing your body. Workout block 3 core plus cardio. All right? Time to fire up your core and heart rate. Stand tall, hands behind your head. Do standing oblique crunches. Bring your right knee toward your right elbow. Squeeze your side abs. Now switch sides. Cross, crunch, right knee to left elbow. Then alternate. Twist from your waist, not your neck. Keep those abs tight. Now for a little cardio. Side steps with punches. Step right and punch forward. Step left and punch forward. Keep your core firm and your arms strong. Now, let's take it up a notch. Standing jumping jacks. Low impact. Instead of jumping, step side to side and raise your arms overhead. This keeps it joint friendly and still gets that heart pumping. You're doing amazing. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Cool down plus stretch. You made it to the end. Great job. Now let's cool down and stretch those hard-working muscles. Start with a deep inhale. Reach your arms up high and exhale slowly. Now, step side to side. Shake out your arms. Let's stretch those legs. Place your right heel forward. Bend your left knee slightly and reach toward your toes. Hamstring stretch. Switch sides. Now gently pull one arm across your chest. Hold for a few seconds. Switch arms. Finally, interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest and lift slightly. Feel that relief. Finish with one last big inhale and exhale out all the stress. You did it. That's your full body standing workout. Strength, cardio, and energy all in one. No mat, no stress, just pure movement and self-care. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Do this workout 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll start noticing more stamina, better posture, and a happier mood. If you enjoyed this session, smash that like button. Subscribe for more daily health and fitness routines, and share this video with a friend who needs a boost of motivation. Let's stay strong, positive, and healthy together. See you in the next workout.